In this video, I will introduce the tool Piktochart. It is an easy-to-learn infographic design app where you can create great graphics for your online course or other sites. Piktochart has a library of icons, images, charts, maps, and ready-to-use graphics. So let's get started. We can get started by clicking on the Start for Free button. In the free account, you can make unlimited creations. As you can see, it's easy to use, free, customizable, and they offer full support. You may create an account or sign up with Google or Facebook. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. It obviously remembered my login from before, so you didn't have to see me type in my username and password. The first time you log in, they have a welcome message that says, "Is this your first time in Piktochart?" And if so, they want you to start out using one of their professionally designed templates instead of a blank one. They have over 400 different templates to choose from. And also in the welcome message, they have guides to help you create great content. As you can see here, we can create an infographic, a presentation, a poster, or a report. Today, let's work on an infographic. And I'm going to see if they have anything in there for a syllabus. So in the search the infographic box, I'm going to type in syllabus. And it pulls up course syllabus. As you can see down below, you have an American literature template. This is a free template, and you're welcome to tweak it to fit your needs. When you hover over the image, you can select Preview or Create. In my case, I will go to my saved Piktochart because I've already been working on this particular one, and that's why you don't see a Create button. You see a Preview and you see Level Up. So let's go up to my saved Piktochart. And as you can see, I've got different ones. The draft on the far right is kind of what it looked like originally. And then the one in the middle that says public is the one I've been changing some colors with. And then the one on the far left actually says pre-algebra. And that was my most recent one. But you also have on the very extreme far left where you can create a new one. So I'm going to hover over my draft and I'm going to edit that particular Piktochart. And it brings you into the editor. And once you're in here, you've got various toolbars that appear. Under your Properties toolbar, you can change the color, you can change the font style and alignment. On the left side is where you can upload images, you can import, you can change the background or add text. And in the bottom left corner, there's a button where you can actually take a tour of Piktochart if you'd like. So as you hover over the different parts of the syllabus, and I'll scroll down through here, so you can see that you've got the course description, the objective, units of study, grading, course expectations. So you've got a nice infographic here, and it's all images. And so I'm going to click to select this block that I'm working on. And as you can see here to the left of the pre-algebra, you can actually move that particular block up or down. You can clone that block if you want to duplicate it. You can delete it, and then there's settings where you can actually change this width and height of that particular block. And then if you click on pre-algebra, then your toolbar appears at the top where you can then change the style, the size. You can actually put a link in there, your text alignment, bold, italicized. And so you can change the different parts. Now to change the color, you would come over here to the far left and you can click on background, And they've got different colors of background that you can choose from. And so I'm going to click in the course description box, and that is one of the icons or images that they provide, but you could always import or upload like your textbook image. Like with my picture, this infographic was a different gentleman's picture to start with. And I deleted his picture and I uploaded mine, and then I drug my image over into the infographic. So down here in course description, you could right click and delete that, and then you could go into upload and you could bring in an actual picture of your textbook, or you can click on graphics up here and go through all of their photos and icons to put in that particular circle. They have shapes as well. And then the text button is if you want to do a new text box in the infographic. So as you can see, I've already changed the American literature to pre-algebra and put it as Math 040, but I haven't changed Mr. Alex Churchill to Miss Mindy Gomez. So as you work with enough of these and get the hang of it, then you can start with a blank slate and do whatever you want. But for now, for the beginning, it's good to just start out with a template and tweak it. Now that we have this here, we want to save it so that we can share it in our Blackboard course. So when you're done, it automatically saves. So you'll go to the share button, and you always want to make sure that you've got it as public. And then down here where you see the embed code, if you click on there, I'm not quite sure what the difference is between the two different codes, but for now I'm just going to copy. Oops, my share box disappeared. I am going to copy that HTML code, and then I'm going to go into my math course, and I'm going to paste that code in under the HTML area. And then when I hit update, oh, I guess I wasn't in the HTML area. Update. Okay, let me go back. Maybe I didn't get the quite right code. Hit update and then hit submit, and you see that it's loaded. And so there is my Piktochart in my Blackboard class. And you can always resize it if it seems a little large. Waiting for it to load here. You can always resize it to make it smaller. But in today's video, I was talking about a syllabus infographic. And Academic Services has done a wonderful job getting the syllabus template exactly like we need it. And in the syllabus template, they have wonderful visual tools. So I'm not saying to use Piktochart in place of it. I was just using it as an example. How I see this in our online courses would be at the beginning of every lesson, you could create a poster or an infographic, an image for the topics that you're studying. And what you'll do is you'll put in that infographic the essential concepts that the students are to learn for that lesson. So you won't have this long infographic like this course syllabus is. Yours will probably be very short. You might even want to use a poster. But I think this is a great way to design an image that you can use in your online courses that would tie in well with each of your lesson topics. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on infographics with Piktochart, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact OTC Online at online.otc.edu. Thank you.